Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add someone on Google Chat. So if you want to, or if you need a Google Chat to chat someone, or if you just start um, Google Chat, first install Google Chat, it's very easy to add someone to chat. Of course, you can open the Google Chat right now. This is Google Workspace. So you can chat someone with your contact. You can synchronize your Google account with your contact or with email. So you can search, or you can tap this icon, this message icon, tap it, and here we go. You can search the someone email in here that you want to chat. For example, here you can chat my friend, this one, donut management, or some of your friend in here. For example, let's try here a random bot. You can tap and you can start a chat right now here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.